What's up, guys? So I found some Greenlight police vehicles and some military vehicles at Hobby Lobby last Thursday. Before I get into these, I'm going to show you a quick bit of video that I took from the store. So hope you enjoy that. Okay, so we're here in the aisle, and first thing I spot right here, this Chevrolet Caprice. Very nice, check that out. Indiana State Police. Very cool. And we got a Ford Crown Victoria from the USA. Pretty cool. That one I already have, but this one is pretty sweet. And looking at the Army ones, they got the Jeep. And they got this one, a Medic. Pretty sweet. So, I wanted to make a hunting video in the store, but I couldn't record much because the lady that worked there was restocking the shelves on one side of me, and on the other side there were some other collectors looking at paint, getting in the way, so really couldn't record that much. So, let's go ahead and get into these vehicles. First one I found is a Indiana State Police 1986 Chevrolet Caprice. Very nice. Don't have many of these. I think I have like one other one of these, so pretty cool. Ford Police USA, a 1993 Ford Crown Victoria. Pretty sweet. You guys know I love Crown Victorias. And the military ones, I found this World War II Dodge WC-54 ambulance, which is pretty cool. And I actually do have this same casting, but it's not an ambulance, it's something else. So I'll show you that later. And this one is a Johnny Lightning, so pretty cool. Best brand to go with the same scale as Greenlight, in my opinion. So Johnny Lightning and Greenlight are a great match for like dioramas and stuff like that. Okay, next one we have a Willys Jeep. Pretty sweet. I didn't have one of these Jeeps yet for the military base, so glad to have found one. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up so we can get a closer look at them. Okay, so here is the ambulance. Very cool colors. I like how it's like green camo and tan camo at the same time. Pretty cool. And the hood does open, so it's pretty cool. And here's the other one that I have. It's the same casting, but this one is an MP. So, pretty interesting. And here's the Jeep. And the hood does open on this one as well. And here's the Chevy Caprice. Looks pretty cool in white. And here's the other one that I have, the only other Caprice I have. It's an NYPD one. So pretty cool. And here's the Crown Vic. This is the first white Crown Vic that I have of this year, because the other two, I have two black ones from the same year and one blue one. So one is an unmarked, the other one is an NYPD, and the third is a highway patrol, California Highway Patrol. So pretty cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Got some Army stuff for the Army collection and some more police cars for the Greenlight collection. So, yep. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Happy hunting, guys.